Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to make picture transparent in Word document. So to do this, let's open Word, let's type in Word, let's click enter and it will open Word, and let's open a blank Word document. And now let's import two pictures. And to do this guys, let's click on insert at the very top and here select pictures and select this device to import from your computer, and I will be importing from downloads, and I will select this bird picture and I will select another one, this Teams logo picture, as you can see there guys, and I will click insert and it will insert both pictures into our Word document, as you can see here guys. But if I try to move now those pictures, it is impossible. So click on the first picture, and then to be able to move this picture around or both pictures, all you need to do is here, once you select the picture, you will see that we are now in picture format. Here on the right hand side you will see this wrap text. Just click on it and click and select here in front of text, and now you can move this one picture around, but you still can't move another one. So do the same, click on another picture and here again click on wrap text and click on in front of text, and now you are able to move these both pictures around in your Word document. If you would want now this bird to be behind Microsoft Teams logo and you would like to Microsoft Teams logo to be transparent, all you need to do is click on that Microsoft Teams logo and right click on it and click on format picture here in this drop down and click on format picture, and then on the right hand side you will see here format picture, and here you will see four icons and fourth icon will be picture. Click on this fourth icon and there you will see these four tabs. Click here in picture transparency and here you will see another tab which you will be able to regulate. As you can see here guys, we can regulate now transparency of this Microsoft logo, Microsoft Teams logo picture, and we can make it as transparent as we would like to make guys. So yes, this is how you can make pictures transparent in Word. And if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.